My name is Fenghui. I'm a software engineer at Google. So one of my projects is vLLM. First of all, disclaimer, you folks might have heard some buzzword like ULM, DE. They're roughly the same thing. So ULM is a program name, so let's just stick with vLLM. Then LMD is the collaboration of us with a lot of partners on large-scale disaggregated inference. So it's also based on vLLM. It's not another service stack. So first, you might wonder, vLLM, I've heard that, but how's that related to JAX at all? It's actually already related because since the beginning of this year, we added TPU support to vLLM. Although we did not explicitly put JAX in there, but the PyTorch code path actually depends on JAX already. So we're explicitly using Palace kernels to boost some of the performance. So it's already there. OpenSSL is definitely under there. That's why I'm here. And going forward, it's going to be more related to JAX and the ecosystem. Yeah. So quickly, the kicker here is that why do we care? People often ask questions like, hey, there are a lot of open models out there. I just want to serve it. Why do I have to jump through all this hurdles to actually make it happen? So the problem statement here is we want to actually make it as easy as possible for you to serve your models on TPUs. So that's what this vLLM on TPU project is all about. So it's a collaboration between a lot of teams. There are a bunch of Google teams. I'm not going to read the DAC. vLLM group, we didn't invent it. It's the Berkeley group leading that. And a lot of industry partners with Red Hat, IBM, and a lot of many universities. The rough idea here is we want to make vLLM extensible. This is actually commonly agreed upon with the ecosystem. We want to be able to support TPU, support JAX going forward, and then support customized, a lot of customization on top. And of course, OpenSSL is always there because we need it for TPU support, at least. So we announced this, launched this in Connex previously. So why? So basically, we have seen a lot of growth in the inference. Now that the models are becoming better and better, most of the use cases actually related to inference, even inside training. When you're trying to actually improve your model performance, doing help climbing, part of this doing eval, that's inference. Agentic stuff, that's inference below. Basically, anytime you want to make use of a model, you're talking about somehow using inference. So that's why we see a growth opportunity here. We, as Google, we want to actually embrace the ecosystem and meet the users where they are. A lot of models are PyTorch models. We want to say, how can we make it effortlessly so that you can serve your models on TPU and on our stack? We want to push for more than reference implementation. So because a lot of things are changing in reference implementation, it's really, really hard to keep up with the quality and the dev velocity you want. So here's a rough picture. So we have what we want eventually is that on day 0, when someone pushed a model on the Hugging Face or into Model Garden, if it's a PyTorch model, we are hoping that you can get immediate support. You can run it right away with good enough performance. And then on day X, after a certain number of days, if some model becomes so popular that we decide to actually further optimize it, so we want to produce a JAX version of it and then optimize the performance so you can get even better performance out of our chips. The conclusion here is that we think that we're stepping into an age of inference. More and more usage will be towards inference. And then usability, efficiency, and everything will be key to the success of the ecosystem. So as many of you have heard that we're launching a new AI chip sometime, Ironwood. And we want to add JAX support in vLLM. And the goal is to increase model coverage and give you all the performance tuning capabilities. And of course, LMD is all about disaggregated serving. Everything will be open sourced, so we're not hiding anything here. If you want to be part of it, work with us, please contact us. That's my email and our PM's email there, Brittany's email. Thanks.